Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Beardsley from Beardsley Auction Service LLC. We're selling this John Deere 350B Dozer at an online auction near Cambridge, Ohio. Nice little dozer, good tracks, the whole 9 yards. This will sell via online auction at beardsleauctions.com. That's BEARDSLEY, auctions with an S.com. It has a 6-way blade, fully functioning. There is an issue with the right side steering clutches. Brakes work, everything works on it. The right side steering clutches are going to need some work. So I'll show you that here. We're going to fire it up in just a second. I'll move it around and show you everything about it, show you the 6-way blade. I'll also show you it moving forward and backwards, and the left side clutches. I'll show you how they work. But just so we're clear, the right side clutches are going to need some work on them, but you will buy this at beardsleauctions.com. Again, that's BEARDSLEY, auctions with an S.com. It's going to sell the end of April 2025. So again, this dozer is going to sell via online auction at beardsleauctions.com. That's BEARDSLEY, auctions with an S.com. Late April 2025. Check out our website, like us on Facebook. Pretty darn nice dozer. Just needs some clutch adjustments on the right hand side, just so we're clear. Thanks for watching the video, and good luck at the auction.